What is interesting about the Lentor area is that it wasn't set up as a master development, but in some ways we have almost become a master developer for the Lentor area because we came in for the first site, the first and only mixed development that's linked to the MRT station, and so this essentially will become like the town center or village center for Lentor. So we do feel that we have somewhat contributed almost like a master developer. Our role as a private developer or master developer, if you will, is really to bring in our private capital, our creativity and our effort to uplift and transform the location. And by bringing in the community that will appreciate and be very committed to this estate, it will have a long-term positive impact on how this place will eventually evolve. This is a brand new creation. We really wanted to create a sense that the residents who live here will feel like they are actually in a place with history, with heritage and soul.